Do you know? Some most expensive and important components of electric vehicles are lithium-ion batteries. You can say lithium-ion batteries are the heart of an electric vehicle system because we know around 40 to 50% of overall cost only because of lithium-ion batteries. Between 2025, lithium-ion batteries demand for EV application is going to skyrocket. As per Government of India, we need at least 10 gigawatt hour of energy of lithium ion cell by the year of 2022 and about 60 gigawatt hour of energy by 2025 and 120 gigawatt hour by 2030. So in this video, we will see who are the players in this lithium ion cell manufacturing market that is going to dominate the overall cell industry in India. So welcome to Y Revolution 4.0. Let's start our video. Epsilon Advanced Material is the first lithium ion cell manufacturing company in India. They have set up the first lithium ion cell manufacturing facility. In the initial stage, they had started their manufacturing mainly for the graphite anode material. For lithium ion battery, now they are planning for July 2021. They will start the cathode material manufacturing. According to Epsilon Advanced Material, they will first invest 60 billion rupees to produce over 1 lakh tons of synthetic graphites by 2030. This accounts 10% of total global demand for lithium-ion cell manufacturing. The main aim of this company is to make lithium-ion battery raw material to combat Chinese lithium-ion battery manufacturing company. Because in India, we are mainly importing lithium-ion cells from China. The next company is NextCharge. Switzerland-based company Leclanche and Exide Industry formed the joint venture for making lithium-ion batteries in India. This joint venture is called NextCharge. So NextCharge is planning, first of all, import the cell from Leclanche plant in Germany, and then it will start later production in India. As per report, they will set up a 1.5 gigawatt hour of plant near Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The next company is C4V Battery. So this is a USA based company that deals with lithium-ion battery manufacturing. They are initially planning to set up manufacturing plant in Karnataka. The initial investment will be 4,000 crore in the state. There is another news that is coming out also from market. As per report, they are planning to set up a 5 gigawatt hour of cell manufacturing plant in the Karnataka state. That will directly create a 4,000 job opportunities. Amprex Technology Limited. ATL Technology is basically a Japanese company. They are planning to invest for setting up a lithium-ion battery manufacturing plant in India. They already run their cell manufacturing facility in China. So in this year, in 2021, the ATL plans to invest around 7,000 crore in next 5 years to supply batteries to the Indian industry, including the smartphone industry, two-wheeler industry, as well as for the three-wheeler industries, electric vehicles also. Tata Chemicals also acquired 127 acres land in Dholera, Gujarat for its manufacturing facility. Active materials, lithium-ion cells, and also for the batteries in India, they will invest around 4,000 crore. Initially, they are planning around 10 gigawatt hour per annum production capacity manufacturing facility. For this total manufacturing plant in India, there are other companies are in this list. They are also preparing for this lithium-ion cell manufacturing market. Recently, Government of India announced their Project Link incentive for production of lithium-ion batteries. We hope in future we will be self-reliant in terms of making lithium-ion cells in India. Our channel needs your support. Please subscribe our channel and support us. Thanks for watching this video. For more battery related videos, keep watching our channel.